Among the many items that our customers tell us they are the most impressed with Advanced Systems of Kansas City are the references and warranties that we provide. We invite you to go to our website at myfoundationrepairkansascity.com to read our reviews and read our warranties, most of which are life of the structure, fully transferable warranties. When we come to your home to provide you with a free inspection, at that time, we also will provide you with samples of our references with phone numbers and our warranties. So please give us a call at Advanced Systems of Kansas.